So I totally forgot to do an intro for this video because I wasn't sure how I was going to like split up the vlogs, but hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I've got a really exciting video filmed during day 7 and 8 of the Turkey vlogs. So yeah, I don't really know what else to say. I really hope you enjoy it. Kind of just like start straight away. We're going on a boat at the start if you don't get what's going on. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Keep watching. So we're going on this boat. Our vessel, wait, Toby's hair's standing up.
It's a bit windy. This bus has got no windows.
Yeah, I know, it's a bit odd, I'm not gonna lie.
It's like when you go to one of them restaurants abroad, like they're by the sea and there's them little like I'm chatting rubbish.
Yeah. Going out.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See you later.
Thank you, bye. Why are we always the last ones off? Of everything and look, my camera's a bit bright. We're on our boat, we're sitting on a chair.
Okay, copyrighted. It's swim break time. We're gonna meet in the water. It's not even that. The questions. Yeah, same. Got to go back in.
Huh? Oh, already?
Yeah. Lose. It's filming.
So I'm so sure we didn't film much, but I'm not gonna lie.
What? That's all right then.
That was probably the least historical boat trip I've ever been on.
It was meant to be historical.
I thought I got the wrong end of the stick. I thought we were going to see waterfalls.
Come in here!
For God's sake. Well, I thought it was going to be waterfalls. There wasn't. That's kind of my fault because he didn't say there was going to be waterfalls. I just assumed. I was assumptioning. I had 2 cocktails each on there. Yeah.
I've lost your eyebrow, spoolie.
It's an eyelash spoolie actually.
I just called it.
We've got a showed eyebrow. Oh, it's a little cute looking one.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. 4:30. We've got dinner at 6:30, but I'm sure we can rock in at 7.
Italian. No, Sam, she doesn't understand.
Toby.
It's 2 settings. It's an early one and a late one. You don't. It's not a buffet. You go in, you sit there for an hour and a half and eat. You don't just walk in whenever you want.
Right, we can be a bit late.
Yeah, but we don't need. I'm hungry.
Alright, well I'm gonna curl my hair. Fine, I won't cut it off straight.
We're watching Shrek later.
Watching Shrek. Toby said we're having a couple of drinks by the pool.
Yeah, we are. We watched the first Shrek last night. Watching the second one tonight.
I love Shrek. Toby struggled to understand what was going on in Shrek, which I really don't know what to react with because it's made for like 4-year-olds.
I'm watching the Liverpool game.
He's not.
What?
He's not.
Wow.
You're not.
We agreed half an hour.
So I'm all ready. We had a little photo shoot on the balcony.
Beautiful.
Oh, thank you, Tobe. OOTD, Pretty Little Thing, Sheen, fake Louis bag, fake Dior shoes, and this little Gucci necklace.
Do I need to do mine?
Of course you do. We match so well. Come next to me.
In the mirror.
Yeah, look.
Hello. Yeah, I'm still not really checked. Blah blah blah. Not really dressed yet. But
Ralph Lauren, ASOS.
watch.
Where's your watch from?
Omega.
Omega. Playing bowling. Quite exciting. Tobe's sums. Right. Oh God. I mean, I've never been to a hotel bowling in.
It's pretty cool.
It's so good. And the actual bowling balls, like the actual ones you get in the bowling place, look.
Just go, right?
Yeah.
This one's for the Spudmaster General. You can roll it.
Go on then. Don't do My go, my go.
Straight strike.
Ready?
Yeah. We'll walk in with her. Oh, she's... Do you want to... The lovely man's opening the barriers because some can't hit it very well, but she got a 6 and I got a
So we just went to the Irish bar. FaceTime Toby's mum.
Yeah, we did.
Absolute sweetheart of a lady.
Virgin, she's on a Virgin Voyages cruise.
Yeah, she works for Virgin actually. A child, well done. So we're going for dinner now at the Italian.
I was just explaining my mum's situation, but no, go on, you go.
No, you go on.
We had a drink in the Irish bar, vodka orange.
Toby's got a bit tipsy after one drink.
Yeah, and you just admitted exactly the same thing, so...
I'm a girl. I'm joking, that's really sexy.
Yeah, empty stomach, that's why. Look at me in here.
Bottle. Guys, everyone convinced Toby to get a bottle of wine.
We're not going to see this before.
I put it on my Instagram story. We're at this a la carte restaurant.
Oh, butter. We're going rafting tomorrow.
We didn't realise. We've now got to eat all this stuff. Oh, mozzarella, thank you.
I feel like it all comes out as one. And then you kind of just, because that's why it's done in like sitting. Because posh restaurants don't really sitting, but they swap over.
It's lovely.
Oh no, what the hell's going on?
What's going on? Toby's trying to beef something. Like it? Oh, sorry.
Doing it.
We've been given our hot starters, Tobes. Toby got something and I got something else. Can't really remember the name. What did I get? Well, it wasn't called ravioli on the menu. Can't take you anywhere.
Still not in focus. I'm vlogging a bit out of focus content for a laugh. Because someone left a bag at the restaurant. And they just called me and, well, called the hotel, called the room and being like, oh, Madame has left something. Madame is a liability. See what she's got to say for herself. Key card!
Thank you, Bob. So we've arrived at the location, Rafting. Toby, how do you feel?
Yeah, fine. I was worried about the car jet because we're up like bound.
So he gets anxiety with everything, bless him.
No, it's not even that. I just get sick. When we go up, big fuck off periods.
Swearing. But I had a nap. What even is the time?
See them quality.
Not their photo.
Guys,
I'm obsessed with this game called Ever Skies. If anyone has it, follow me on it. I'm Summer_Mary.
She'll get very upset.
No, I don't know. She won't. Yeah, I'm just obsessed with it. It's quite the weird game. What's that? I'll give that a 3.
Whoever made that, get better.
I'm rating someone's sunsets. Yeah, guys, you all need this game. That's quite cool. Free. Yeah, guys, work with me, Ever Skies. No, genuinely, obviously. I've never heard someone get sponsored by them, but they genuinely, it's my favourite game. So I play it constantly.
It's weird. That and Best Fiends. Why do you do Best Fiends collaboration?
I already tried to collab with Best Fiends. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, I tried to collab with Best Fiends, but they don't collab with people anymore. Because I'm genuinely, guys, I'm on level like 4,000. Like, you see all these YouTubers that promote Best Fiends, and they're on like level 10 because they haven't actually ever played it. They're just doing it because they get paid.
It's pretty telling us what games they play. I think Star Soccer.
Sponsor him.
Yeah, I'll put it on.
Oh, that's lovely, look.
No, it's a big company, they don't sponsor anyone anymore. Fanta on the sponsor.
Don't drink all of it, please. Be nice.
We're off rafting. Nice view over there. It's a bit of the old riggedy bumpity bump, but there's your favourite YouTuber. Looks like an egg. But yeah, we're going 7 kilometres up. Look at that mountain. 7 kilometres up, and then rafting 7 kilometres down. It should be fun. So we're doing the ascent in the van. We're not taking the camera, but Summer's taking a GoPro at her own risk. The vlog.
In our rafts. This is the view. Nearly got hit by a van. Exciting. The rafts down there. Oh, scary. That was Toby being a bitch in action. Caught the face as well. Toby wants to be with the English people because then obviously if we're confused we know what's, like, someone can explain. Toby's shoes are huge because he thinks he's got a big...
I had to leave the toe.
Oh, we missed the story. In the first boat. So now we're not going to. I know, you think it's going to be awful and then. Yeah.
I have Depop, it's so easy, forward, backward, stop. And if someone will start like this, that's why, okay? When I say backwards, reverse, like this back. And most people don't say stop. When I say stop, if you want to
Toby, we're literally holding this whole boat by our paddling.
It's like the 3 of us in this thing.
Sorry. I know.
everybody forward.
So basically,
هناك في الماء طلع هناك ورا.
No, they jumped.
there was just big waves.
No.
One more time. See you. Abi hepsinde kamera var. Hepsinde.
Para yok, çalışıyor.
Ne?
You know Turkish? Good.
Kazakistan.
You are Kazakhstan? Little bit or good? Pardon, iyi mi çok mu? Oh, paparazzi, hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up.
Whoa.
Okay, look at the cameraman. One more time. Yes.
Look how pretty it is. Toby, look. I'm so glad we get to do zip line. My heart sunk a bit when he said we can't. I'm so excited.
You said I'm over it.
Yeah, but that's because I thought it was really short, but it wasn't. So steep.
There we go.
I don't think I've ever done one this high, have you? Oh my. Oh. Thank you.
Hey.
Oh.
That's right.
Oh! Thank you. How do I?
Okay, go.
That was good.
Introduce yourself back to the vlog.
So we've been to the pool.
We've been
It's very fun.
We haven't
I
done
mean this
rafting.
out. No, we have.
No, we haven't.
Oh, we loved rafting.
I love rafting.
So I'm wearing this gorgeous two-piece from Lottie's shop. I spent half my bank balance on it, actually paid per credit. Not on just this, but I bought loads of outfits. Honestly, you'll need to check Lottie's shop out. Like, obviously I would love some of them, but this obviously isn't. This isn't me working with them because I obviously bought this stuff myself. But we're going out, and my heels are from Primark. I'll show you them better in a minute. Do you have my eyelash Utos?
Sam.
Yeah.
I keep putting. I put one in my bag yesterday and I put one in my bag today.
I don't know. They go, don't they, like that? It's
gone.
weird.
They've both gone.
It's bizarre. No, they're not, because I don't have any left now.
Front pocket you put it in, didn't you?
I bet you this will be here. No, it's not even.
It's not there, is it?
They disappear! No, this is even funny.
There's a hole in my bag.
We're in this gorgeous restaurant. It's absolutely lovely. I got steak.
Oh,
Toby got carbonara. We got our Sex on the Beaches because we don't want to mix our drinks. Some lovely chips. Well, I don't know if they're lovely. Right, we're going to try.
Do you know what I mean? The sauce is just nice, isn't it?
It's salty. I love it. Oh wow, it's got a distinctive taste to it. Oh, thanks, Bubs. I love a marinating boyfriend.
It's a marinated steak.
Nah, it's alright. Yeah, go on. Yeah, go on. Topes, you like that little mat? You like a meme?
Salt Bay. It's not meat, that's a worldwide restaurant.
Well, you they've literally got a steak van. It's actually so cool. I know. Hello, love. Oh, God. That is the end of today's video. I really hope you enjoyed. I got a sweetin. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And yeah, tune in for the last turkey vlog, day 9 and 10. We'll be up ASAP. Like, comment, subscribe. I love you.